What's keeping you here?
This party, this party on the west side of the bay, picnic with my weekend, we be sneaking and geeking, this party on the west side of the bay, picnic with my Africans, do this shit every weekend,
Man, let them know how we do. Like front seats in the lack, we go back. System blast, no we get past. Headache cross T, both feet on the gas. Playing with my cash, got another foot for his ass. We in the field like football pads. I ain't in the game, but the way I approached it, I was coaching. Ink on the coat like I posted. I'm just trying to spare these niggas from the bear they're poking. Living my life like it's golden. Backwoods, fat as a limb swollen. Steak ordering, stock holding. On my toes like a sock hole, headed to the party, dodging potholes. She tell me to chill, she tryna get the pot roll. Looking at me like that's what God gave her eyes for. I love it when she eye roll.
Cleveland is a city that we come from, so a cutthroat city, not new on the sun. Been winning from the west side to the east side. No other city that I'd rather reside. Better yet, I'm an EC bird. My skirts and rosaries kept the hood on my head. I really mentality, mixed country, y'all. Real ass niggas, no matter the nationality. All that fluff and stuff won't go with you when you're dead. I ain't worried about a nigga, rather get this paper instead. Be careful, boy, when you lay your seeds to lie. Order them long enough and you multiply. Careful, baby girl, with you out of your pants. Fuck niggas playing tricks just to get in your pants. But tonight, let's party on the west side of Cleveland, yeah. Looking at when my weekends, yeah. We be sneaking and geeking, yeah. Ooh, let's party, ooh, on the west side of Cleveland, yeah. Looking at when my Africans, yeah.
But I'll be there as long as I need to be. Yeah, I've been to New York. I